Charmi Pipermitwala from Surat, Gujarat, the city known for its diamond and textiles. I did my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Dharamsi Desai University, Nadiad, Gujarat. During my internship at Geo, my team leader encouraged me to pursue my interest in management a step further. I took CAT and that journey landed me here at IMI Kolkata. I chose IMI Kolkata due to its local Business Accelerator program and diversity on the campus. Here we have students from 20 plus states across India, all with their ideas, experiences. It truly feels like mini India. The 1 month long orientation program was a wonderful start filled with fun, learning and bonding. From fearless cooking to many team building activities to visiting the Alipur Museum and the cruise on the Ganges. It's just been a few months into this journey and I have gained already a lot. Recently, we visited a village as a part of our curriculum. It helped me know how management is done beyond books through community interaction. Today, IMI Kolkata is not just another college for me. It is a center where culture, learning and collaboration comes together. I truly feel proud and grateful to be a part of this journey. And to the new batch, all I would say is enjoy every moment, participate as much as you can and let IMI K shape the best version of you.